Hi everyone, my name is Katja. I'm Cat Coloring and a warm welcome to this little membership video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the advantages of becoming a member of my channel. And I'm also going to tell you about the price, which I have lowered considerably. So this membership is called Coloring Community and it will cost you less than $3 a month. That is in Danish kroner, 29 kroner. Or if you live in the UK, less than £3 a month. So what do you get for this money? You will get loyalty badges. It's always fun to see how long people have been members. There are also some custom emojis because there always are in these memberships. And then there are, of course, the most important part, exclusive members videos only. So videos only for members. These videos consist of my how to color series, my beginner tutorials, and my color alongs. This means that all of the videos already available to you when you become a member are the videos I have produced within the last year. But all of the new beginner tutorials, how to color and color along videos, which are newly produced, will be only for you. And as an added bonus, I can guarantee that there will be no ad breaks, no commercials before, after, or within the video. So you can watch at your own pace and you are not interrupted whilst coloring with a commercial break. So as you can see from all of these pictures I'm showing you, these are from some of the beginner tutorials, color alongs, and also some of the how to color videos I have made. How to color glass, how to color fur, how to color sunsets and sunrises. Beginner tutorials from Small Victories and other books like Twilight Garden by Maria Trolle, and color alongs from Hannah Carlson, Maria Trolle, and Johanna Basford. Also, Erie is found here, Ellie Marksart and others. Also, when you become a member, you will have quizzes and you will have votes where you decide what color alongs I should do, from what books and what pages, and all down to the pencils I'm going to be using. So there will be lots of votes here in this coloring community because of course you're going to have an influence about what I will produce for you, the members. There will also be a possibility to come with suggestions for my how to color series. If there's something specific you want me to show you, perhaps how to layer or blend or lay shadows, or how to color specific things like metal or leaves or whatever it can be. It's actually up to you. So I hope that you will consider becoming a channel member and joining this coloring community with me. I hope that together we can produce a thriving coloring community where we all share in our passion for coloring. So until I see you in the next video, have a lovely day. Happy coloring. Bye.